Stop by and take a look at the 2023 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, M Sport package, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.